Welcome to Live in and as Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksha. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light and love flowing. Live in and as light messages. Our first message today is inner temple, devotion. Tune into the portal of your heart. You're being called to be a devoted student and tune into your heart, to incorporate true devotion into your life. You're being called to develop a regular meditation, journaling, or chanting practice, or to show up to your soul with rhythm, to develop a daily practice where you fill up your well and spend time with your soul. All of the answers to all the questions that you are seeking are waiting for you in the portal of your heart. But you cannot hear them unless you carve out time each day to listen. Your soul is yearning for a deeper relationship with you. And so the more time you spend with it and show up to it, the more clearly it will guide you. We are here to grow as souls. Earth is one big playground for the soul to learn. And you are being called to go deeper in your soul growth or to increase your devotion by being a student of a lineage or a spiritual teacher. If you have already been a committed student, then you are being commended for your devotion. Your guides want you to know how proud of you they are, and the time you spend in devotion is priceless. If you are questioning your career or life path, your guides want you to turn your focus towards devotion and this prayer. Please use me in a way that delights my mind, body, and soul. May my life be one big moving prayer. And this is an activation card. And the activation required is commit to a daily devotional practice. So I can speak from my personal experience. I've been a spiritual teacher for many years, and I have been regularly practicing meditation, chanting, and pranayam, that is breathing, and yoga for many years. And the connection you feel with your higher self is definitely there in the meditation and chanting. Do take up these practices, and if you have not already, or if you have, then deepen them by committing in a consistent way. So go within and connect with your higher self, connect with the divine, and then you can shine that light from within. Our second message today is forgiveness offers everything I want. Each lily of forgiveness offers all the world the silent miracle of love. Those are the messages for today. Lots of love.